I make breakfast in the kitchen. I cook food in the kitchen. Kitchen. I cook food in the kitchen. I eat breakfast in the kitchen. I drink tea in the kitchen. I drink tea in the kitchen. I drink coffee in the kitchen. I fry eggs in the kitchen. I make toast in the kitchen. She takes toast from the toaster. I cut bread in the kitchen. She slices bread. I wash vegetables in the kitchen. I cut vegetables in the kitchen. I cut vegetables in the kitchen. I make salad in the kitchen. I chop vegetables and mix them. I cook soup in the kitchen. The kitchen is where I cook. I cook soup. Kitchen. I pour milk in the kitchen. I pour milk in the kitchen. I prepare food in the kitchen. I wash dishes in the kitchen. I clean the kitchen. I clean the kitchen. She wipes the table. I open the fridge in the kitchen. I take the eggs from the fridge and put them on the counter. I take eggs from the fridge. I take eggs from the fridge. I put food on the table. I eat fruit in the kitchen. I add salt in the kitchen. I add salt in the kitchen. I taste the food in the kitchen. It tastes delicious. I prepare breakfast in the kitchen. I prepare breakfast in the kitchen. I make dinner in the kitchen. I chop vegetables and stir the pot. Cooking is fun.